Birds. They went inside and observed the following birds. Sparrow. Sparrow is brightly colored with grey, white, and black. It is found everywhere. The sparrow eats worms, grains, and small seeds. It feeds small insects to its babies. They make nests of grass, twigs, and small plants. Crow. Crows are birds with black shiny feathers. They live in groups or families just like us. They are known for their intelligence and loud noises. Crows normally eat seeds and grains, but they also eat flesh and meat of dead animals. Parrot. Parrots are one of the most intelligent birds. They copy the human voices. They eat seeds, fruit, small insects. They are also good pets. They are brightly colored. Pigeon. Pigeons are small, plump birds. Their wings are long with strong flight muscles. They eat grains, insects, snails. Pigeons are grey in color, neck green purple band, tail shows a dark band. Dove. Doves are plump bodied, long tailed birds. They symbolize peace. They are light grey to brown to white in color. They enjoy seeds, grains, corns. They are attractive birds. Maina. Mainas are the birds that destroy the nests of other birds to lay their eggs. They eat fruits, insects, lizards, small snakes. They do not eat seeds. They have straight body, large feet and short tail. They are aggressive and noisy birds. Cuckoo. Cuckoo bird lays eggs on other birds' nest. The parents never take care of their babies. They have long tail, medium to short legs. They are grayish or brownish in color. Their beaks are small. They eat insects, worms, and sometimes fruit. Peafowl. They are colorful, ring necked, glossy purple to deep green in color. They eat seeds, insects, fruits, and small snakes. Males have long feathers and they open, whereas females do not have long feathers. They cannot fly high like other birds. Peacock is called as the national bird of India. Peacock is the male bird. Eagle. Like other birds, eagles have large beaks to rip the flesh. They have large and strong claws to get hold of the food. They have strong muscular legs. They can fly very high up above in the sky. Their eyes are very sharp and powerful. They have white heads and tails with brown body and wings. Ostrich. Ostriches cannot fly high like other birds in the sky. They are large, flightless birds with long legs and neck. The head is small as compared to the body. The eggs of the ostrich are bigger in size as compared to the eggs of other birds. Owl. Owls have large eyes, flat face, and large heads. They have small beak. They can see even in the dark. Owls kill other animals and small birds as food to eat. They fly and hunt during the night. Vulture. Vultures are dark brown to black in color. They are large-sized bird. Vulture can smell the flesh, that is its food. They eat other birds and animals. They are social birds, that is, they fly in large groups. They lay single eggs and it takes 2 months to hatch. Flamingo. Flamingo are the birds with long legs and large wings. These birds have pink to red color feathers. They eat insects, algae, small fish. They normally stand or rest on one feet. Greater flamingos live in group or flocks. After the visit, the students returned back to the school. They enjoyed the trip and learned a lot about birds.